All right, guys, I got an awesome video for you here. We're going to talk about using the brand new function VSTACK. You'll find it if it's available on your system in the lookup and reference functions right below VLOOKUP. And so basically, think of this as a wonderful copy and paste, but with so much more power with dynamic tables. So let me begin with showing you a quick example, what we're talking about here. So I open up VStack and it just asks for different arrays. So I'll start off with, this will be my first array here, and then a second array here. And I'll hit OK. And look at that. Of course, you could copy the headers there. But that is just amazing. Of course, the dates here just need to get quickly changed over to dates. All right. Okay, so that's how that kind of works here, but let me take it up a notch and notice that we have an accounting table. The name of this table here is called accounting. And then on my marketing table, we have a marketing table here. Okay, so this will be so much better because when I go to equals VStack, I have the ability to type the name of the table, which is marketing. Look at that. And then accounting. Awesome. Whew. Amazing. Let's go over to the accounting tab here and add Steve today, and I'll be employee 50. Okay. I'm going to go back to my VStack, and you can see just how dynamically that was just created right there on the fly. So that is awesome. Of course, you'd want to have your formatting in place here for that as well. And if I wanted the headers to come over dynamically, I could do an H stack. And an H stack is just looking for the array. So I'll go over here and highlight the headers of the accounting and then hit enter. And then you can see right here, this is going to be dynamically in there. So if for whatever reason name gets changed, or let's say DO8, date of hire, gets changed from that accounting table, I'll just do DOH, enter, and that's going to come over here automatically and link it out to that. So I think this is amazing. Unfortunately, not everyone's going to have this right off the bat. It's going to get released in different waves. So hopefully by the time you're watching this video, you have it, and it will help you report in certain cells exactly what we're doing here with called the VStack to go vertically down, or the H stack to go horizontally across. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please support the channel by subscribing or hitting the like button. Everything counts here, so enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video.